called John, and he come out and looked at my garage floor, put me in a new garage floor, absolutely loved it. Probably had it down probably about 6 years, built a new house about 1.5 years ago, called John, he come back out and put me another new garage floor in. We liked the first one so much. The garage floor had been down probably 7 years, and when we left, it looked like it had just been put down. It was fantastic. After talking to John, when he installed my second floor, I was so impressed with the process and the end product that I became an amazing garage door dealer in Missouri. So if you run an amazing garage floor, they're absolutely perfect to keep clean, durable, makes your house look like an extension, or your garage floor look like an extension of your house. Contact an amazing garage floor dealer. You won't be unhappy that you didn't.